In this video, we'll learn how to make a plant protein creamy quinoa soup, an excellent healthy choice for cold winter days. For this recipe, you'll need 1 small onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, also chopped, 1 leek, chopped as well, 1 small carrot, cubed, 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 1/4 cup of cooked green peas, 1/2 cup of uncooked quinoa. Here we're using a mix of white, red and black quinoas, which will make the soup more nutritious and more colourful and fun. 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/2 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For garnish, Brazil nuts, parsley or microgreens. Before starting, wash the quinoa with water. This helps remove the saponin, a bitter substance that the quinoa plant naturally produces to protect itself from fungal, insect and animal attacks in nature. Most packaged quinoa have already been pre-rinsed, but some people are sensitive to it, so it doesn't hurt to rinse it again just in case. Here, we're washing it in a bowl, but you can wash in running water. It's more efficient. We've placed a link in the description below for a desaponized and pre-washed quinoa if you'd like to try. Directions: turn the heat on high. Heat the olive oil in a large saucepan or Dutch oven. Add the chopped onion. Season with salt and pepper. It'll help soften the onion. Once it has softened, add the garlic and mix. Add the carrot, mix for about 2 minutes. Add the leek. Season with salt and pepper. Mix again, add the quinoa and stir for about 30 seconds. Add the stock. Bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and partially cover. Wait about 10 minutes for the quinoa and vegetables to cook. Add the chickpeas. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Add the green peas. Let it simmer for another minute. Add the spinach and coconut milk. Mix for another minute or 2 to warm up the coconut milk. Turn off the heat. Immediately add the lemon zest and stir. Serve it in a bowl and garnish with crushed nuts, microgreens or parsley and olive oil. We have other quinoa recipes on our channel. The links are on the description. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.